Hello everyone. So today we would like to talk about the market research, which is very important topic for the healthcare startups or any kind of a startup, those who are dealing in the early stage. What exactly happen when we are designing any kind of product and services? So we often focus on the features like what exactly in the properties of your product or any kind of device, how it going to be helpful to the particular user. So whether you are designing any kind of product or services for any particular target audience. For example, because we are dealing with the healthcare startup, so I can tell you very simple example what exactly happened. When you ignore the market research, it often lead to the wrong product or either the wrong target audience. For instance, you have designed any product which can be solve the problem for the obesity and the diabetes both. So often what they do, any kind of product or services, they go to the Google AdWords or Facebook marketing. They start like burning all the capital in the Facebook marketing and the Google AdWords. And within the fraction of time, like within the 1 month, 2 to 3 months, they see there is a no customer acquisition is happening proportion to what they are expenditure they are actually making to the advertisement or any kind of campaign, whether you are hiring any kind of team members, sales team or anything. So it often depend upon how exactly any kind of particular product or services it going to be addressed to the particular audience. It means you have to be find your perfect target audience in the initial stage of time, because in the initial stage of time you are struggling with the two things. The first thing is you don't have much capital which can be utilized for redesigning the product in case the product need a new feature or any kind of new UI UX or any kind of medical device it if it is there, so new kind of R&D it is required. So you cannot do this process again and again, so you have to be very precise to test your initial device or any kind of services, how the populations are accepting your product and services with respect to what you have designed. So what exactly happened, you have designed any product and services, then you have to find the location, then you have to find the perfect set of audience, the age group, the gender. So Indian demographic is a very complex. Like if you see the southern side, if you see the north side, middle side, northeast, every geographical location is having its own advantage and disadvantage. It cannot be same. So the reason why I'm saying that market research in Indian context is very important, because it's going to be save lot of time, effort and money. The first thing, once you have the market research data, in which population that you can deploy any product and services, it will going to be save a lot of money in terms of your marketing and sales. You can position the product in your set of audience and you can get the feedback from them. And then we will help you to analyze how you can redefine the product, in which stage, in which context the user are struggling to use your product and services. So for example, if you have any kind of product and services, you must do the initial market research, and for that purpose if you require any kind of help, you can log into www.iarc.com, iarc.com, and you can book a demo session. We have the ready to use Power BI interactive dashboard that can help you to understand the Indian demographic in a much more effective way. You can see the male to female population, how much they are diabetic, how much they are obesity, the cancer growth, the death rate, everything. Whatever you wanted, that we will design for you to carry out the market research specifically for your product and services. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for listening to me.